Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will study about Indian and international place value system, and I have given a puzzle also during this video. So please watch this video till end. Let's start the topic with Indian system of numeration, and we will do comparison also. So Indian system of numeration, we are having the periods, that is ones, thousands, lakhs and crores, and we can see in ones period we are having three places, that is ones, tens and hundreds. In thousands we are having two places, thousands and ten thousands. Similarly in lakhs again two places, lakhs and 10 lakhs, and in crores also crores and 10 crores. So basically in Indian system of numeration we are having three places for ones period, and then two places for thousand, two places for lakhs, two places for crores, and after that Arabs will come, and so on. Now let's talk about international system of numeration. So in this system you can observe that we are having the periods that are ones, thousands, millions. In ones period we are having three places, ones, tens and hundreds. Again in thousands period we are having three places, thousands, ten thousands, hundred thousands. Similarly, in millions also we are having three places, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and after that billions will come, and so on. So we can say in international system of numeration, three places are there for each of the periods. Now let's do comparison between both the systems, that is Indian and international system of numeration. So if we will compare till 10,000, we can see the digits are same, places are same over till 10,000. Now after 10,000 place, we are having lakhs in Indian system and 100,000s in international system. That means 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. Similarly, 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. We just see the opposite of million. You will find the answer, that is 10 lakh. Then 1 crore is 10 millions, and so on. So we can say 1 lakh is equals to dash thousands. Let's observe this, the comparison again. So in front of 1 lakh, that means lakh, we can see 100,000 is written. That means 1 lakh is equals to 100,000. Now let's see the next one, that is 1 million is equals to dash lakhs. Now let's observe where is million written. So in front of millions, in international system we can see the millions written in millions period. So in front of millions 10 lakh is written. That means the answer would be 10 lakhs. Now next one is 1 crore is equals to dash millions. Now let's observe the crores place in crores period, and in front of crore we can see 10 millions is written. That means the answer would be 1 crore is equals to 10 millions. Now let's see the next one. 100 millions is equals to dash crores. Let's see the table again. So in front of 100 millions in international system you can see 100 millions is written in millions period, and in front of that 10 crores is written. That means answer would be 10. Now if questions are like we are asking the questions in Indian system of numeration only or international system of numeration only, then what we will do. Let's see, the question is 1 million is equals to dash thousands. So here you can see million word is written. That means international system we will see, and between millions and thousands we can see three gaps are there. You can observe the gaps with the arrows, blue arrows which I marked. So 3 arrows means 3 zeros, that means 1000. Now let's see the next one. 1 crore is equals to dash lakhs. Crore means Indian system we will observe. So crores is written in crores period. Now between crores and lakhs we can see 2 gaps is there. 2 times we will move. So 2 times, that means 2 zeros. So that answer will be 100. So 1 crore is equals to 100 lakhs. Now let's have a break for few seconds. Puzzle time now. Let's see today's puzzle. This is the question. Your time starts now. Type your answer in the comment box, please. Hurry up, time is about to over. time is over now. Let's see its answer. So we can see its answer is 7 by 2, 9 by 2, 19 by 2, 7 by 2 again. Let me explain. See the first row, if we will add 7 by 2 and 9 by 2 by taking LCM, we will get the result as 8. Now let's see the second row, 19 by 2 minus 7 by 2. If we will subtract both by taking LCM again, we will get the result as 6. First column, 7 by 2 plus 19 by 2 will give us the result 13. Second column, that is 9 by 2 plus 7 by 2 will give us the result 8. So that's why these will be the answer. Now let's come back to the topic again. Now how to write number names? Let's see. Indian system first. So let's observe the chart. This was the Indian system and I have given a number below that. Now how we will write it? We will observe that in crores period 30 is written, that means 30 crore. In lakhs period 58 is written, that means 58 lakh. In thousands period 44 is written, that means 44,000. And ones period 011, that means 11. That's why 30 crore 58 lakh 44,000 11. Now let's see international system. Let's see the chart. And I have given the same number over here. Now let's see how we will write in international system. So we can see in millions period I have written 305, that means 305 million. In thousands period 844, that means 844 thousands. In ones period 011, that means 11. That's why 305 million 844,000 11. So always we write number name according to the periods. Now these are the figures are given, units are given, tens, hundreds, thousands, and figure is given in Indian system and international system both. And we can see the power notation like this is given on the rightmost corner. After that, let's start with how to write number names in numerals. That means in figures. Numerals means in figures, in digits. Let's see. Indian system first. So question is 59 crore 7 lakh 80,000 404. So 59 crore. Crore means 2 places. 59. 7 lakh. That means 07. 2 places again for lakh. 80,000. 2 places for 1000. 80. 404. 3 places for ones period. 404. Now let's see international system now. So let's see its question. 590,780,404. Same digits I am taking. So 590 million, 3 places for million, 590, 780,000, 3 places for 1000, 780, and 404, 3 places for ones period, 404. So in Indian system, 3 places and 2, 2, 2 from the rightmost corner. International, each of the period is having 3 places fixed. So this was all about Indian and international system of numeration, its comparison, and how to write the answer of the comparison of both. And if the question is based on Indian only, or if question is based on international only, number names, numerals, whatever is the question, you would be able to give the answer of that. So don't forget to press bell icon and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling.